the United States backs the US dollar and China backs yuan, so who backs Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin backed by nothing? Then how come Bitcoin's value is backed and supported? Can it survive even though it's backed by nothing? But guess what? That's exactly what makes it so revolutionary and resilient. In this video, we'll debunk the myth and shed light on why Bitcoin's unique nature is its strength. So let's dive right in. First, it will be worth noting that it is not Bitcoin's drawback, but it is a very fortunate aspect that Bitcoin is backed by nothing. One of the most captivating aspects of Bitcoin is its immunity from government intervention. Unlike fiat currencies, which are subject to the decisions of central banks, Bitcoin operates autonomously, governed by a decentralized network of miners and nodes. Satoshi Nakamoto's anonymous departure further shielded Bitcoin from any centralized authority. This is crucial because it enables Bitcoin to directly challenge traditional financial systems, including the almighty US dollar. Bitcoin came out as an alternative global currency and it directly challenges the US dollar. So, if Bitcoin is backed by something else or relying on something else, that will definitely catch US regulators' radar and must be attacked by the US government. As we can see from other altcoins created by centralized entities and organizations and backed by them. In contrast, Bitcoin has nobody's back, and its creator Satoshi Nakamoto disappeared soon after he launched Bitcoin to the world. So, from the US regulators' perspective, there is nobody that can sue and take to the court on behalf of Bitcoin. This lack of a central authority behind Bitcoin protects it from being sued or taken to the court by the governments. It's like a digital David challenging the Goliath of traditional finance. So I would say that it is actually a very brilliant design that Bitcoin has been backed by nothing and the creator disappeared since the beginning of its birth. In that way, Bitcoin remains incredibly strong that can directly challenge the US dollar and dodges all the attempts by the governments to kill Bitcoin. Due to its decentralized nature and lack of backing from any physical assets or governments, the US government or any other government for that matter cannot directly sue or seize Bitcoin. This unique aspect gives Bitcoin a huge layer of protection against potential governmental interference that may negatively impact other traditional assets or currencies. As governments scramble to understand and regulate this decentralized disruptor, Bitcoin's lack of backing becomes a source of strength, not weakness. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the value of Bitcoin. Critics often wonder how something backed by nothing can hold any worth. The answer lies in a scarcity and the faith placed in its underlying technology. Bitcoin's protocol is programmed to have a limited supply of 21 million coins, introducing an element of digital scarcity. Additionally, trust in Bitcoin's secure blockchain technology has grown significantly. Its ability to facilitate peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries has won the confidence of millions. As a result, a decentralized community of users has emerged, placing value on Bitcoin as a reliable store of wealth and an alternative to fiat currencies. Furthermore, Bitcoin's price discovery mechanism is driven by supply and demand dynamics in the open market. As more people recognize its potential, the demand for Bitcoin increases, driving up its value. Its growth in value, despite not being backed by any physical asset, has captured the attention of institutional investors and the broader public. So, it's not right to ponder and waste time by asking why something that's backed by nothing has a value. You need to acknowledge the fact that something that's backed by nothing does have a value. So the question is not about why Bitcoin has a value despite being backed by nothing, but it's about why Bitcoin is important, which has a value despite being backed by nothing. The factual fact is that Bitcoin has a value, a lot of value, despite being backed by nothing. So we need to face this phenomenon as real and think about why Bitcoin is so important as something valuable. It's important to recognize Bitcoin's inherent value as a decentralized and secure digital currency. Bitcoin's ability to maintain and grow its value despite having no backing from tangible assets or central authorities demonstrates its importance. The perceived value of Bitcoin comes from trust in its technology and its capacity for secure peer-to-peer transactions. Additionally, the scarcity programmed into its protocol, with a limit of 21 million Bitcoins in existence, contributes to its increasing value over time. The fact that it is free from government manipulation or control adds to its perceived value as a hedge against traditional financial systems. And Bitcoin has proved that it doesn't matter whether it is backed by something or nothing to create a monetary phenomenon. Also, Bitcoin's significance goes beyond its value as an individual asset. It has laid the groundwork for a new era for financial innovation. As the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin paved the way for thousands of other digital currencies known as altcoins. It is very important to realize that all other cryptocurrencies are not sued and stay peaceful from the US regulators thanks to Bitcoin, which cannot be sued but supports all other cryptocurrencies and the fundamentals. In other words, being the only cryptocurrency that's backed by nothing, Bitcoin supports the entire cryptocurrency market. US regulators already know that it is unavailing to sue other cryptocurrencies that are backed by centralized organizations and take them down, because even if they successfully do it, in the fundamental of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin is still out there in this world, backing all other cryptocurrencies. So other cryptocurrencies can easily grow with this fertile soil called Bitcoin in any way. They will find their ways as long as Bitcoin is around them. This is particularly the case for Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency in the world, raised their funds with an ICO with Bitcoins. So what they did was they publicly raised the money in Bitcoin and distributed a pre-mined set of ethers to the ICO participants. That might have been considered a violation of the US security laws, But so far, the US Securities and Exchanges Commission could not answer if Ethereum is a security or not, leaving some insiders' opinion that Ethereum might have been a security in the past, but not anymore as it is sufficiently decentralized. But the real reason that the SEC wouldn't bother with Ethereum is that it is no use to kill Ethereum when another Ethereum could come out again in a smarter way than Ethereum did, backed by Bitcoin, which cannot be killed. To this day, as the first and most famous cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has served as a trailblazer for the entire digital currency market. Its decentralized nature and secure blockchain technology set a foundation for various other cryptocurrencies to emerge. These altcoins often derive their value and stability from their association with Bitcoin, like Ethereum did and does now. Many altcoins initially raised funds through initial coin offerings, ICOs, with Bitcoin as the preferred mode of payment. This historic role established Bitcoin as the de facto reserve currency of the crypto world, indirectly backing and supporting the entire cryptocurrency market. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, is a prime example of an altcoin that raised its initial funding with Bitcoin. In this sense, I would argue that Bitcoin indirectly backs the entire cryptocurrency market despite not being backed itself. Its creation and successful operation have inspired the development of thousands of other cryptocurrencies. Many altcoins were initially launched through ICOs that raised funds with Bitcoin, further solidifying its importance in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Bitcoin's significance as the leading digital currency has helped build confidence in other cryptocurrencies and the underlying blockchain technology. In conclusion, Bitcoin's power and influence stem from its unique nature, backed by nothing, yet valued by everyone. Its immunity from government intervention, sustained value, and support for the broader cryptocurrency market demonstrates its relevance, impact, and potential for the future. In my opinion, Bitcoin's lack of backing is precisely what gives it its strength and relevance. Being free from centralized control and manipulation, it offers individuals a decentralized and borderless alternative to traditional financial systems. Its limited supply and growing demand create a sense of scarcity, contributing to its value as a store of wealth. Additionally, its pioneering role has paved the way for the broader cryptocurrency market, fostering innovation and competition. While the absence of backing may have raised skepticism initially, Bitcoin's resilience, adoption, and long-term growth have proven its worth as a viable and valuable digital asset. As the world continues to embrace digitalization and decentralization, Bitcoin's position as a leader in the cryptocurrency space is likely to strengthen, making it an essential component of the global financial landscape. So, what does the future hold for Bitcoin? As the world embraces digitalization and decentralization, Bitcoin's role will continue to expand its resilience and immunity from government intervention, make it a potent instrument in challenging the traditional financial order. Additionally, its potential as a hedge against inflation and global economic uncertainties is attracting institutional investors and corporations. With increasing adoption, Bitcoin's vision of becoming a global reserve currency may become a reality. And let's not forget the DeFi revolution that Bitcoin has catalyzed. Decentralized finance platforms built on blockchain technology are reshaping the financial landscape, offering a glimpse into the decentralized future Bitcoin envisioned. So, the next time someone asks, is Bitcoin really backed by nothing? You'll know the answer. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey. And until next time, keep embracing the magic of cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy hodling, and I'll see you soon.